What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to 2 Comic Club. Today is Tuesday, and we had a better day today than yesterday. And the markets finished up, and I'll post some screenshots here. The S&P closed above its 200-day moving average, so that was good. We're trying to stay above those, of course, with all the indices, I think that's how you would say it. But we're trying to close above that because that 200-day moving average is like the last line of support, as people say. So once you break below that, it tends to lead to a bear market. And so we're really trying to hold on for dear life to not do that. So today was a good day, but I saw an article that said that tomorrow might be bad again. So I'm really crossing my fingers that it's not. I'm going to go over this article that kind of recaps today's news. So we'll just kind of talk about that. And I'll post a screenshot here. You can see like our top performers are Universal Display, Ferrari, Nvidia. Now, I'm still kind of questioning that these numbers are accurate because it seems that Universal Display, that 2020 call and the Ferrari call keep going up a lot. And I don't know if that's just data that's been overhanging from the day before that, because it's kind of like, I'm actually realizing this as I'm thinking right now. Because TD Ameritrade has 24/5 trading, which means 24 hours a day, 5 days a week trading. I don't know when those numbers actually like refresh for the next day. So maybe these numbers could still be old numbers. I'm not sure. So really, I don't really know. So I'm still trying to get used to it. I'm going to go see them to ask a bunch of questions. And when I do go into there, I will make a video about what I learned, just in case some of you guys are also starting with TD Ameritrade. And if you haven't set an account yet and would like a referral code, I could give you one. So you can send me a message. You can give me your email address, and then I can put it in there, and it could send you a referral code that gives you free trades, and it'll give me free trades as well. So that would be awesome. But anyways, let's go back to the news. So this article, just U.S. stocks, Wall Street closes higher as S&P rises above key support level. Again, they're referring to the 200 moving average. It said Amazon ends higher as Trump continues to criticize it. Obviously, Trump does not like them, but they did do very well today, and I was looking very hard at all my positions to see if I could sell some stuff and buy another Amazon call, but I could not find any that I could sell right away. So I did not pick up anything new today, even though I wanted to. I also wanted to get a Tesla call today, but I already have one for 2020, and I guess I'm gonna have to be happy with that because I really don't know what I could sell, let alone I also have to sell some stuff to pay my taxes, so I gotta do that. So I'm thinking about, and it's due on the 17th, that's when taxes are due. So I'm hoping between the next month, or the next week and a half rather, the market can kind of rebound so I can feel safer with selling those puts that I have, because that's what I would really love to do, sell the puts and then keep everything else. But I guess we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, Tesla rises on Model 3 production data. So there's another article that I'll link to in the description. Tesla's Model 3 production rates will increase, but it may take longer than expected. They made 2,020 Model 3s in the last week of March, below their target of 2,500. But I did see on TV that they're reporting a 40% increase. So they are getting better, and their stock went up like $15 a share today, which was huge. I'm hoping that Tesla can go back above 300 before the year ends. So we'll see what happens. So I'll just read a little bit more of this article, and then we'll just kind of wrap it up from there. The S&P 500 pushed above a key support level, and Amazon shares jumped on bets that criticism from President Donald Trump would not translate into policy changes. Oh, and that reminds me, I did hear someone they were talking to like an analyst on TV today that was tracking this whole Amazon situation, and he actually said that if Donald Trump finds a way to tax them more, like where more of their businesses are paying sales tax, because a lot of people, like third-party businesses, sell through Amazon. So it's not just Amazon selling stuff, it's other people too. And if they make them collect sales tax, they're going to need Amazon to help them collect sales tax. So Amazon could actually charge another fee for them to help them do that. And he was saying if that happens, Amazon will just get richer. So I think it's almost like a win-win scenario for Amazon. Either way, they're probably going to be just fine. And that made me feel a lot better about Amazon, and that really made me want to buy more. As I probably mentioned before, that's like my new #1 stock for this year. I just really love Amazon and like what they're doing and how they're growing. And they're spending $5 billion, I think, in India, is what I read, to expand there. That's a huge market. So there was an article saying they might buy Flipkart, but Walmart's trying to buy a big stake in them. So we're not sure what's going to happen with that. But Flipkart is like their main competitor in India, and I think they have more market share than Amazon right now. But yeah, so let's see. Traders said they were heavily focused on technical levels after investors fled on Monday. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. There was opportunity for sellers to break through the 200-day, but that didn't happen. Fundamentals are holding the stock market up. We're on the verge of earnings reporting season. So yeah, earnings are coming up in April this month and in next month. So lots of hype going into that. And let's see. But some traders said technical sellers could still put pressure on stocks. And I hate that these technical sellers, a lot of them is just computers. They're not even people, which is what really bothers me. I really wish they just didn't let computers trade. They just let people trade. I mean, that's how they used to do it. But whatever. I don't know. Can't really change it now at this point, I don't think. Yeah, this one about Tesla. So shares gained 6% after the electric automaker said it need not raise more capital this year. That would be huge because they do have a lot of money they owe coming up. And I think I mentioned this before, but they have 2 bonds maturing really close together. One, I think in September or October this year. And it's like $230 million they need to pay back. And then in March of next year, like another $900 million they have to pay back. So they need to start making money quick so they can pay that back. Yeah, so with that said, we're going to see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a very important day. I'm really crossing my fingers, hoping that Amazon, Tesla can continue their run because we do got a call on each of those. And hopefully I can safely unload some of my puts, pay my taxes, not have to sell any of my calls that I have because I really don't want to sell anything. And a lot of my calls are just so worthless right now that there's really no point in selling them anyways. So we're going to see what happens. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment below if you have any questions, or just let me know how you guys are doing because it's not just you watching me. I want to watch you guys too. I love hearing how you guys are doing. I wish you guys would start your channels too so I could watch you, but I'm not saying you have to. But yeah, if you do start a channel related to business, please, feel free to comment, and I'd be happy to start showcasing some other channels someday, kind of like what my friend Ryan Scribner has been doing. I think that'd be pretty cool. So comment below if you're in the market, how you guys are doing. I would love to talk to you guys. So thanks so much. Hope you guys have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.